Hey guys, Chris Throttle coming at you with another video. This one will be basically pretty much quick. I won't take too long on this one. Changing the time on your dashboard. I've noticed when you're scrolling through, you don't necessarily see the setting to edit the time. However, I noticed if you hold the select button and the reset button simultaneously, you are actually able to edit your time. So let's go ahead and do that. You're gonna hold it for a few seconds until you see the hour starts to flash. Once the hour starts to flash, that means you're in. You can hit select to go ahead and skip over from the hours to the minutes. Since I'm gonna change the hour, I will go ahead and bump it over to 5. This is a 12-hour clock, so don't necessarily worry about the 24-hour settings. Once you get your hour, you go ahead and you hit select. Select will jump over to the minutes. Now I will jump over. You can fast forward a little bit by holding it down, and here we are, 5:48. Okay, and once you're done, you hit select, and that will basically save your time. So now let's see. Bike is off. Turn the ignition back on. And there you have it, guys. So I will see you around on my next video. Chris Throttle signing out.